Amazon lifestyle images to optimize your listing. Right now, PPC is increasing, fees on PPC are increasing. Competition is without a doubt the hardest it has been. It's just gonna keep getting harder. So how can you convert more clients and drive more traffic? It's what all the big brands are doing and are starting now to realize that they need to do it more and more and more, which is investing into more content into Amazon like they do outside, right? Why? Because that's how you convert, that's how you humanize a product. Because remember, people are the ones who are buying these products, right? So you need to connect with that consumer, right? So quick guide, 5 minutes, lifestyle images. Please subscribe, it really means the world to us. If not, like literally we're not doing this for anything. It's literally just to give you value, and the way you can give us value is by subscribing, and we really appreciate it. All my team will appreciate it. Okay, let's dive into it. Lifestyle images, what are they? As you can see, pretty straightforward what you can read. I would say the most important thing is that you connect with a human, you connect with the user, you connect with the person who's gonna buy this. You make them feel like how they would feel like if they were using this product, okay? It's very, very important. You humanize the product in a way they connect with them at an emotional level and they see themselves buying it. And remember, everything is emotional, right? Sales are emotional, selling a product is emotional. So you have to connect with them. And the best way are with lifestyle images if you want to connect with them emotionally. Infographics, we'll talk about that later, hero images as well. I believe we did some videos. If we did, they'll be linked here. If not, I'll make videos for you guys about that. So as you can read, lifestyle images engage with customer and skyrocket conversions. And this is not, miracle or anything. It's just that you're literally telling them what benefits, visually telling them what benefits are they gonna have with this, okay? So imagine if this model right here would be like mad while she's using this live block. Obviously, it wouldn't transmit the message. Let's keep going. Why is it important to use lifestyle images for your Amazon listing? Obviously, you're gonna build credibility and you're gonna build trust in a way that no other images do, okay? Because you're connecting with them. You're putting a buyer persona, it's very important. You use somebody who's your target demographic. You can find that. It's not that easy to find out, but you have a lot of tools for that. If you want me to make a video about that, please leave it in the comments down below. And also show your products in use, not just about ways you can transmit this feeling. For example, giving us a Valentine's Day gift. This was specially done for Valentine's, but also in different uses. What is this product for? Can people easily understand that? It's kind of hard to understand. You have to transmit all of that. And obviously you have to make a difference from your competitors. You have to showcase one usage. For example, this is one of our clients and he sells this beauty cream, but he adds on this beauty applier, right? This is one way of him showing, because the model can massage your face with it and all that, to her pores and suction it better. And also transmit other things like, you can give it as a gift, right? So remember that there are different seasons, which some gifts are better designed for those seasons than others. Make sure you show that in your images. Connect with the consumers. And how to make an effective lifestyle image? There are different ways. I would say that you have to really look into the product and see what connects with that product. Is it natural lighting? You can use natural lighting. Is it harsh lighting? Is there a lot of contrast? For example, if we were shooting something for Halloween, you wouldn't have something so flat and so beautiful. You have a lot of contrast, something that's scary, right? So it really depends on what you want to sell and how you want to transmit that message. But overall, have natural lighting. Or it doesn't have to be natural, like you see right here. It can be artificial lighting, but in a way that's looking natural. If you want me to make a video about that, leave it down in the comments. I'll make a video about that. And then obviously always think about your target audience, the demographic you're targeting. Is it female? Are they males? Are they non-binary? Are they in their 20s, 30s, 40s? Are they grannies? Do they have kids? So many questions. Make sure that you are targeting the right demographic and make sure you're using the right images and the right props within those images, right? So for example, little candle, roses, it's Valentine's, right? Little table with like cookies. Do cookies need to be there? Not at all. Could you sell this with the cookies? Yeah, but the cookies add that extra flavor, right? As well as the candles. Or here in the kitchen, do you actually need a piece of bread here? No, you don't, but you tell more of a story with props, right? So make sure you're targeting the right audience and using the right props for that demographic, okay? And then consider the environment. Obviously, it's super, super important, and consider the use of different cases. Like, are these cards, can you play these cards in the house, at the ranch? Where can you play these cards? Where can you use this this rubbing cream. Can you use it in the bathroom? Can you use it somewhere else? So make sure that you consider the environment where you're shooting it and the cases how you're using it, okay? So yeah, that's about it. Let me know what you guys think. I'll be more than happy to help you with anything else. Lifestyle images are extremely important, guys. Extremely important. Brand owners, why? Because they connect with the consumer. If you're just using images just to use them, it's gonna be really hard to sell. It's gonna be really hard to scale at all because the competition is just literally so fierce. So yeah, let me know if you like this video. I'll be more than happy to make some more videos like this. Please share if you found this valuable, and also subscribe. My name is Rafael, I'm the founder of Shutter Studio. Until next time, bye.